Would you like to practice Portuguese and sound like a native Brazilian like me? So here's the secret. Transcription. Yes, this is part of my method. I will show you a particular activity that boosts all of my students to get the Portuguese language indeed, or learn English as a second language. Through specific videos, scenes, and real audios, you can develop many language abilities at the same time and be efficient in Portuguese language learning. By the way, any language, you will improve many skills fast. I tell my students not only to write what they listen and watch, but also to repeat the sound while transcribing everything from an audio or video. And this exercise is called shadowing. So by transcribing and shadowing, you will be able to improve listening comprehension, speaking ability while repeating along, and of course, writing, the structures of the language, vocabulary, and idioms. So whenever you want to practice Portuguese, you will write how people say, I mean literally, how they think in the other language to speak. Let's check it out in practice. This is one of the ways I've been helping many people to practice Portuguese. And once again, it's not only for Portuguese language learning. You can do it in all the languages you want a better performance. Okay, so let's jump right in.
Eu assim que eu caí.
Não depois da primeira queda. Eu assim que eu caí e me quebrei.
Eu assim que eu caí. Eu assim que eu caí e me quebrei.
Susan finds that she needs to increase her dose of pain. Susan finds that she needs to increase.
Susan finds that she needs.
If you want to schedule live online private lessons with me, don't hesitate to contact me.